Welcome and hello to the Grap Coin YouTube channel. One more Solana update video. As you may see, the price stays in this range and is now moving laterally. It also is below resistance around $15940, but above support at $100.19. That is shown in green and is what I call a breakthrough line. This is basically our point of upward breakthrough, which makes bullish scenarios easier to understand. Opens the door for anything more bullish, including a bigger B wave, but it has to be broken before we can really think that something more bullish is happening here. Up until then, the market is just moving laterally, and as was already mentioned, price action in these areas is mostly useless. Generally speaking, we are traveling in a sideways triangle. Let us first discuss these structures. The idea driving these minute patterns and structures that we are seeing is that a larger degree third wave has finished. At this level, we only observe corrective movements. Thus, I think that if we enter this lower support zone, it might. Anyone seeking, say, positions for the next upward surge would find a wave down here to be rather intriguing from a reward to risk perspective. Now, this might be a B wave rally. A range of microstructures could arise from the several ways this B wave might unfold. We shall have finished the correction, perhaps in the $90 range, but that has to be found. If we observe a C wave to the downset from here, this is just support, so we can compute a target at this stage, but we are not required to hit it. I don't think the trend down has begun because of the shorter time frame patterns. Three waves now solidified, sank from the recent high. One of them might have been the A wave. We are still really optimistic about Solana overall. It is obviously open to another bottom into this orange support level, which might imply that swing traders should keep it on their watch list and put some money away in case Solana dips into that support area. Wave 4 could be, for instance, a triangle. Though we'll see whether we can break out to the upside, there's a chance of a prolonged B wave or something more bullish from here. Triangles A, B, C, D, and E can also form B waves. They break down after one additional lower high. In this case, however, triangles frequently break with strong downward momentum, and a break below 119 indicates that the B wave has probably terminated. That would need some downtime, though, which we don't have. These are the only variables we can monitor. Hence, I can't even provide you a target CU. Still, getting a longer B wave is okay. As I don't have any lows set up, we can figure out what a reasonable target would be for the third, fourth, and fifth in a C if I can get these first two to work. Wave inside wave B. Now, I would have to add wave C here in orange and wave AB here to make this a 5-wave move. Though I could certainly give you 5 or 6 wave counts. Remember that the counts are irrelevant in these corrections, so I could also erase them. This would effectively be an extended motion. It is the major support region that counts against this, hence the closer we get to it, or even farther, the better. Both an up and a down breakout point exist. Not whether it rises or falls is the issue. What matters most at this time is that you have a plan for every scenario. With a reward to risk ratio moving upward, things are looking up generally. The B wave has just lately shown a slight sideways extension. Hence, in my view, there is not a strong chance of an upside breakthrough and an extended B wave. Corrections could come gradually or in reaction to price increases, in which case a robust B wave might not be visible. Though I wish I had more to say, there isn't much to highlight here, so I haven't said anything new in the past week or so. It might therefore just take a while to play out before descending and carrying out wave C. All that counts is that one understands and respects the levels, but the market does not seem to know what to do at this time. Hence, we need to see a signal from it. Even now, with any luck, you find the Solana update fascinating. Should that be the case, do like, comment, and subscribe. I much appreciate you seeing. I'll be about still. Bid Grap Coins, farewell.